Welcome to this Saturday travel and history tip, and I had mentioned that we're going to take you through Titus Canyon, and that is exactly what we will be doing this Saturday. Titus Canyon is one of the out-of-the-way places to see while you are at Death Valley. As you can tell, Death Valley is one of my favorite parks as it has gained 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 pages in my book, Off and On the Beaten Path, the Western Edition. We took you last week to Beatty and the ghost town of Rhyolite. Southwest of there, along Highway 374, is the one-way entrance to Titus Canyon. And you take Titus Canyon Road, and it will go through the mountains and out into the heart of Death Valley on Scotty's Castle Road. Before you hit the entrance to Titus Canyon, there is this cemetery. It is the Bullfrog Rhyolite Cemetery. Graves are there from 1904 to 1912. Northeastward from Stovepipe Wells is Daylight Pass and Titus Canyon Road. At places in Titus Canyon, the sheer walls squeeze to only 20 feet apart, while towering hundreds of feet high. Titus Canyon Narrows is often visited by a 1.5-mile hike from the west end off North Highway by those not wanting to drive the one-way road. And after you watch this Saturday Travel and History Tip, you'll determine whether you're willing to do that or not. Filled with incredible scenery, the high clearance 26.8-mile road begins 2.7 miles outside the park boundary on Highway 374. The road pierces into the Grapevine Mountains and leads to the ghost town of Leadfield, which existed from August 1926 to February 1927. That was short-lived. The canyon is named for Morris Titus, who died there along with 2 other men when they made a wrong turn and did not reach Clare Spring. A hike to the spring is rewarding. The men had set out from Rhyolite to go prospecting in the Panamint Range. Titus Canyon Road cost $60,000 to build in the 1920s and is considered a great engineering feat. And as you ride with us today, you will see that that is exactly true. View the road on a topographical map beforehand to get a sense of what you will experience. Modern travelers on the Titus Canyon Road will encounter deep ruts, steep grades, tight switchbacks while driving through the Grapevine Mountains. All worth it. And I want to take you through these videos that we took while driving along Titus Canyon Road when we made our lunchtime destination at Leadfield. This is one of the most popular one-way roads in Death Valley. It starts 2.7 miles east of the park boundary, and the road re-enters the park and winds through the Grapevine Mountains, then drops down through one of Death Valley's most spectacular canyons. Along the way, watch for the ghost town of Leadfield and petroglyphs at Clare Spring. This is awesome. 2-wheel drive can do it, but you might want to have at least a high clearance vehicle. Welcome to Titus Canyon. How's this for a drive?
How's that for a drive back up the other side?
Yeah, I think we're going to do that.
I think we'll be there.
Watch the boulder. Can't take enough pictures out here. It's so gorgeous. The aftermath of the flood is spectacular. Well, that's quite the S-curve. The colors are just unbelievable. I don't even know what words to use.
Hope y'all can see that.
Don't even know what words to use. I wonder what's around this curve, besides incredible beauty. All right, now we're going to head down. Buckle your seatbelts.
Not a lot of room.
No, not really.
Got a wall on one side and, well, nothing on the other side.
Well, it's something. It's a sheer cliff.
It's a long ways down there. This place is amazing. wonder these guys never wanted to leave.
I don't ever want to leave.
Really?
This is our 19th time here. I love this place.
Look at that curve coming around, huh? Look at that thing.
This is our third time through Titus Canyon, and it just doesn't get old. It gets more spectacular with each visit. At the midway point of this 27-mile drive. A little rough there, Steve.
The road went away.
No, we don't want that to happen.
You know, one thing I thought of is you don't want to bring your mama's Jetta in here.
No. At least don't let her know.
Wow. Four-wheel drive, that's where it's at.
Absolutely. I see some of the ruins now. And in next Saturday's Travel and History Tip, we'll take you around the ghost town, gold mining town of Leadfield. This was a mining boom town founded on wild and distorted advertising. 300 hopeful people swarmed here, and a post office was established in August of 1926. In February 1927, the post office closed and the town died. American history. Learn it. Love it. Appreciate it. Don't let them steal our history. Share our American history. Hope you watch the Saturday Travel and History Tips. And if you appreciate our content, tell others and repost on your social platforms. And be sure to visit danasbooks.net to see other great videos of our travels across this wonderful nation and some fun recipes. Thank you.